today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, something absolutely mind-blowing is happening right now in the moment I am recording this video for Bitcoin. You might ask yourself, what the heck are you talking about? Like, Bitcoin is going sideways for ages. Well, hear me out, guys. Bitcoin is right now painting what I've been waiting for a move towards, and yes, I'm not talking about a price target from tomorrow, the day after or something, towards 48,000 US dollars. How are we going to achieve that? Let's talk about that. I am still in my trade and I will talk about that, as well as this trade. Bitcoin and Ethereum are right now together racking up approximately $1 million US in a profit. I want to talk about what I'm doing with that specific trade. I want to talk about what I would be doing if I would not be exposed in a trade. What would be the trade I would be taking right now? This and more in today's video. Like and also comment down below if you want more of these videos. Let's go straight into it. But guys, I'm saying always like and comment, like I really mean it. We need this, and YouTube needs this to understand that this video is relevant. And if I don't get this feedback, I mean, of course, why should I make these videos? This is why our channel is most of the time the most watched Bitcoin video on the whole YouTube internet, because you, dear ladies, lovely ladies and gentlemen, are liking, commenting, sharing the video. So I appreciate that. I see it in the back end, I see it in the statistics, and that is the feedback I need to know you want more of these videos. Thank you so much for that. And now let's talk about Bitcoin. I mean, wow, like what for you looks like Bitcoin is just doing what it's always doing, for me it's beautiful. This Friday price action we had today is exactly what I wanted. This is the tipping point. I was telling you earlier, when we are going lower, Bitcoin shall not close below the 25,000 US dollar area, and we got a beautiful bounce. And what we are seeing right here is potentially an inverse empire. Inverse empires with a huge wick on the downside are usually signifying the bulls regaining strength. And what we are seeing here on the weekly candle is this inverse cup and this cup and handle pattern, where Bitcoin is now, of course, overdue to break out, where we have this nice horizontal trend line here from the previous inverse head and shoulders pattern, which now got retested, hopefully successfully. And in the moment we are breaking actually the price level of round about 27,500 is the moment we break the handle, is the moment we are going to retest the horizontal resistance, and is hopefully the moment we are going to finally break 31,700, 32,000 US dollars for confirming the price movement towards the upside. Yes, to my price target of 48,000 US dollars. Of course, a long way to go. We have two resistances we have to break before 27.5, 31, 32,000 US dollars. But this is the reason, if you are asking why are you still having here $1 million US dollars in profits you are not taking, even though everyone is screaming we are going lower. I mean, honestly, guys, let me quickly go back to the face mode. Oh, by the way, here you can see the shoes I'm wearing. People are laughing, like, because usually I either walk bare feet or I wear shoes which are like bare feet. But that's just what I like to do. So, of course, $1 million US dollars, it's a lot of money for me as well. We are here in a bear market. And yes, you see me like you're going crazy in bull markets, but in bear markets, like, I really take care what I invest in, what I buy in, and of course what trades I'm taking, much more than in a bull market, because in the bear market is when we are planting the seeds for future wealth being generated in the next up and coming bull market. This is why I'm very cautious, and yet I'm not taking profits, and yet I am waiting to scale up this specific trade. If you want to be trading as well, if you want to be scaling up your trade, making your own trade, you know yourself, I have a crazy, actually this one here. If you click this link in the pinned comment, you get redirected to this. You just click claim now. After $100 deposit only, you get a 1,000 US dollar free position for Bitcoin. A basically free position, which if you close it, you can take, in case it's a profitable trade, the profits completely down from the exchange. and buy yourself shoes or whatever, or just more Bitcoin. Link down below. And this is why I am right now bullish on Bitcoin. And if I'm posting tomorrow Bitcoin is breaking down, because it is breaking down on the 1 hourly or 4 hourly, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. This trend is still on for Bitcoin. I do believe we hit bottom yet. We hit bottom already. And I do believe we are in this cup and handle pattern with this specific price target. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you think that we are going to break higher? Do you think we are going to break towards these price levels within that year? Or do you think we are yet going to reach lower price levels because of all the FUD in the markets? Let me know, guys. Let me know, dear ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye.